Hi creative friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley the Thrifty Chica. If you haven't yet, hit subscribe, and today we're going to be talking about a brand new mystery box from Cricut. This one is the Thanksgiving Mystery Box. So it has a brand new Cricut Cutie, and let's talk about the value of this mystery box. It's $127.41 of value for $59.99. So let's break out the brand new Cricut Cutie first. So this one is in the color True Lime Green. As you can see, it is such a fun, vibrant color. It's unlike anything else in the Cricut Cutie collection for colors. So if you love really fun, vibrant colors, this is a great one. And just a fun thing to add to your crafting space. So let's get into the meat and potatoes of the mystery box. If you haven't played around with Cricut's glitter gel pens, they're gorgeous, and these colors are perfect for fall and Thanksgiving. The next item in the mystery box is the glitter iron-on sampler. So this comes with 3 different colors. There's a purple, a silver, and a gold in here. Beautiful colors to work with, and you can create some fun iron-on designs. This is just a classic vinyl transfer tape. You can reuse this multiple times. It's awesome to have in your collection, especially when you're working with vinyl. Also included is a roll of adhesive foil in the color silver, perfect for the holidays. There's a roll of premium removable vinyl in the tropical sampler. So as you can see, it has a bunch of different fun colors to work with. There are also some metallic transfer sheets, and these are awesome when you're working with cards and paper. They add just a little bit of shine to the project that you're working on, and it comes in a variety of the metallics. This beautiful glitter cardstock in the color white, so it sparkles, it has that kind of snow-like look. And last but not least is a variety sampler of removable vinyl in a variety of different colors. So these are really easy to work with. I love using the sheets because it's great for those quick projects that you want to make, and it's already pre-measured and ready to go. If you'd like to pick up the Thanksgiving mystery box, remember it's on sale for $59.99 for Cricut Access subscribers, and it's $127 value for $59.99. Check out the links in the description box. It's also going to be pinned under the top comment along with my coupon code. If there's anything else that you want to purchase with your mystery box, the coupon code doesn't work on the mystery box. So I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you guys later.